Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this hi-fi stereo system that this brand sent to me for this video, which I tried last night and I tried it this morning back again. And it's actually pretty cool just because it is so compact, yet it's kind of like powerful. It's like a 30 watts. It comes with speakers that are included, but you can actually put external speakers if you also want. And by the way, this one have it all. It has CD, as you can see over here, so you can go back to the old ages. And I mean, right now, kind of like CDs and vinyls, they're kind of like a thing. So that's actually pretty cool. That comes with the CD right here. It also comes with radio, since this also comes with an antenna right here on the back. And it also comes with a USB-A port right there that you can put for MP3s. And also you can set up a microphone, and you can even put a 3.5 jack audio for your headphones. But today, we're gonna test it with the most important thing, to me at least, with the Bluetooth. It also comes with Bluetooth capabilities. It also, you will see that comes with some buttons over there for the radio, for scanning the radio, for the equalizer, for just like play, pause, managing the volume with this one over here. And again, just like made of this really nice kind of like vintage look with the wood and the speakers. It looks like a really old school stereo. It's actually pretty much new. What we're gonna do right now, I'm gonna put my microphone right there so you can hear this one better. We're not gonna put any music because my video can get flagged and rejected, but we're gonna do an audio test. And trust me, this thing is actually pretty loud. I was not expecting this one to be this loud. So with the wood, with the subwoofer, with everything you have right here to manage. And by the way, it also comes with a remote controller. I forgot about this one. It also comes with a remote controller, so you can just be sitting in your couch or something like that and using the remote. So that is kind of like really cool as well. And the 3.5 to 3.5 jack audio cable right here. But let's actually put my microphone here and hit play.
You won't just hear glass break. You'll hear a slightly battered and bruised baseball fly past your right ear as a cloud of debris blooms and shards of glass trail overhead. Just before gravity takes hold, scattering chaos to the four corners of the room. While the sound of a scared little kid running like hell fades away in the distance.
I'm telling you, you're gonna be a little bit surprised at how powerful this one is for being so compact. With the CD, including the CD as well, and the radio, and the Bluetooth, and the pen drive or flash drive for the 3.5 jack audio, the remote controller, and 30 watts of power, that will be kind of like really good for like an office or like an entertaining area or your living room. I like this one. I like it. I do recommend it with a thumbs up.